Let's start reviewing typical IT project roadmap. First of all, we need to initiate beneficial project. After which, business analyst has to collect customer requirements. After which, we are able to conduct project planning activities. Then, we can start executing planned activities. To start execute them, we need to acquire resources and form a delivery team. Development has to develop actual software product. After which, quality assurance team can start testing delivered product by development. And finally, we need to implement accepted by customer delivered product into production. And now, let's review IT project management framework roles and responsibilities. You need to remember a number of roles from left top to down. First of all, executive project sponsor has absolute power. After which, project steering committee. This is a committee which says go or no go for a particular project. After which they find it beneficial or not beneficial. PPMO, Portfolio and Project Management Office inside an organization. Project owner, same as product owner. And a little bit lower, project manager. Under project manager, there is a business analyst, project stakeholders, which are any interested persons, the departments or organizations in the project, which are positively or negatively impacted by the result of your project. And finally, project delivery team includes actual developers and testers. And finally, let's review IT project actual delivery team. Who are included? There is a number of them. First of all, you need to rely on domain subject matter experts. Experts in particular programming, developing, testing, business analysts, and so on. Team leader and or Scrum Master. Depends on the type of the project. System designer or software engineer. They design actual software product. Full stack web, mobile, desktop application developers. Full stack means your developers are proficient in end-to-end. For example, they can create a front-end web application, and they can create a database and connect it. Full stack database developers. They're actually dedicated backend developers to create a database, to create views, store procedures, triggers, and normalize it. On-premises and cloud environment database administrator. Sometimes you need to rent services, and normally all organizations, big organizations right now, they prefer to have so-called hybrid model when they have on-premises servers and they rent it from cloud. For example, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud Platform. Premises and cloud environment system administrator, same. However, the system administrators or sysadmins, they're different from database administrator, different responsibility. End-to-end quality assurance analysts and test automation engineers. It's quite obvious. And finally, highly and very experienced user acceptance field specialists. These are people who are invited from actual environment, working environment, on your testing team to add their subject matter experts.